Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. So today I'm going to be giving you guys a tour of my makeup collection. So if you guys want to see all of the makeup that I have in my collection, my personal collection, and everything that is behind me, then obviously I'm going to need you to subscribe to my channel. That's the first thing you should be doing once you get here before watching the video. And then obviously give this video a thumbs up. If you guys want to see more videos like this where I show you more in depth of my makeup collection, then give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment in the comment section below and stay tuned for the rest of the video. So starting in the left hand corner of my vanity, I have all of my lip glosses. Well, not all, but a portion of my lip glosses. I have some ColourPop glosses, NYX butter glosses, NARS, and Morphe. And then here I kind of have this Bath and Body Works, there we go, Bath and Body Works candle that I repurposed to kind of house some of my lip products. So I have my Artist Couture Nude Gloss, Patrick Ta Liquid Lip, Fenty glosses, Huda Beauty. So I just like to keep some of my favorite lip items in there. And then moving on, this is my most used or frequently used palettes. So I just have some Juvia's Place palettes, NARS blush palette that I made, a couple of Anastasia, Pat McGrath, and then my Makeup Forever palette. Then moving on, these are my brushes, or most of my brushes. So in this little black container here are the James Charles eye brushes with Morphe that I just bought. They were on sale, $29. So I picked them up because you can never have enough eye brushes. Here is the typical eye brushes that I use, and as you can see, like, most of them are dirty because I need to clean them. And then here are my face brushes. I have like some Sephora brushes, some Morphe brushes, and some Real Techniques brushes. And then moving on to this little organizer here, I actually got this from Sephora.com. I believe it was around $30-ish. So in the top two drawers here are where I put some more of my glosses. Again, not all of my glosses, but more glosses in these top two drawers. For some reason I had a lip gloss phase, and I just bought basically like every lipstick every lip gloss I can get my hands on. In this drawer right here is where I keep most of my beauty sponges, the ones that I'm currently using. And then next door to that are some of my highlighters, just a couple MAC highlighters, Artist Couture and Anastasia. In this drawer right here, we have our foundations and one random concealer. So these are just foundations that I've really been liking at the moment, minus this CoverGirl and NARS. I really don't use these two that often, but the Lancome, hands down favorite. The Estee Lauder, wow, Double Wear here. And then, of course, some drugstore foundations that I've really been liking and have been using in most of my pictures. So in this drawer here is just kind of random highlighter palette, another highlighter palette, and some lip products and an eye cream. And then here we have my contour kit, another contour kit, a glow kit, and some highlighters. So here, moving on, these are my lip products. And I don't wear lipsticks that often, but I really enjoy this section of my collection. So these are, I have my MAC lipsticks here, Pat McGrath lipsticks there, some NARS lipsticks in the back, Anastasia, Dior, and things like that. And then moving on to this little organizer here, moving this out of the way, of course, I have all of my liquid lipsticks. And it's not focusing. There we go. So the top drawer here are my Anastasia liquid lips with a couple Makeup Forever and a Too Faced. And then moving on, these are literally all Kat Von D liquid lips, and then a couple of Fenty lipsticks in the side. Here we have my Stila liquid lips and my Dior liquid lips, and my Sephora and Huda Beauty liquid lips, and then a couple of the Demi Matte lipsticks here, which are actually really, really good. And then in this bottom drawer here, we have some lime crime. So these are like random colors that I happen to pick up that aren't actually as wearable as I initially thought. I could probably make some of them work, but as of now, no. And then here are my NARS Power Mats and a Smashbox lipstick. And then to the side, I have my Fenty lip gloss set. And I actually have a couple of these because these glosses are amazing. And then moving on to my drawers. So here is my first drawer. And this is just the rest of my foundations and then primers all in here. And then in this next drawer here, I have my highlighters and blushes in these two sections, brow concealer products here, mascaras and things in the back, and then eyeliners and random shadows back there. And then in this drawer we have all of my lashes, and these are some of my favorite lashes actually. So sorry for the creaky chair, but I had to sit down because my hands hurt. But on the left side we see all of my Lily lashes. These are hands down my favorite and what I wear. There's some random like AliExpress lashes I got back there, some Sephora lashes and Ardell's, but 99% of the time I'm wearing Lily lashes. And this drawer is just like my random skincare drawer. So these are like some of my favorite skincare products that I like to use, along with some skincare products I haven't used but I'm looking forward to using in the future. So I just like to keep those in this drawer. In this last drawer are like random skincare products I probably will not use, but I just like to just throw them in there so they have a home. And then moving on to this side, so on the right side of my vanity is where I keep all of my setting sprays and powders. So in here I have foundation powders, setting powders, and then finishing powders. And as you can see, I have a few of the MAC powders. Those are my favorite. I have the Beauty Bakery powder, Sacha Buttercup, Cover FX, NARS bronzer. So this is where just like all my powders pretty much go here. And then in this drawer is, I would say, like glitters. So all of these glitters, glitter liners and pigments and things like that go in this drawer. And then right next to them are my lip liners, and then for some reason I have 3 of the same sharpener, but yeah, I can never find a sharpener when I need it. Here I just put random fragrance samples that I get, some NARS lipsticks there, and pins when I used to work at Sephora. I like to collect those. And then this is another random drawer. So I have a whole bunch of random lip products that don't really get any love or attention. They just kind of go into this drawer until I feel inspired and I need something that I don't have on the top of my vanity. So I have like some Dior, there's Bare Minerals in here. This is, I believe, a gloss, and for some reason the camera's not focusing, but it's not important. Then I have some like random like highlighting products, blush, and more lip products. And then in this drawer is where I keep all of my palettes. Obviously, this is the rest of my palettes, but these are like my extra palettes that I put in here. So I have like my Zulu palette, Subculture from Anastasia, Chocolate Bar, Electric Palette, Sweet Peach, and I also have some beauty blender set that actually has all of the beauty blenders in there because I haven't used them yet, so I'm just keeping that in there. And then the last and final drawer is just literally random things. So just makeup bags, like random makeup products that I really don't use, and like a setting fan. Alright, so this is my full makeup collection. So I'm thinking about doing another video where I just kind of go through my collection. So for example, I could do my foundation collection, and I could walk you guys through all of my favorite foundations, the ones that I own, and then doing another video of primers, and then doing another video like palettes and blushes and things like that. So let me know if you guys are interested in that, and if you are, then definitely give this video a thumbs up. and subscribe to my channel. So I hope you guys liked the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed a tour of my makeup collection. If you did, then obviously give this video a thumbs up. Hopefully you made it to the end of the video, and if you did, make sure you're subscribed, because otherwise why would you watch this whole entire video not to subscribe to my channel? I'm just saying. And obviously leave me a comment in the comment section below. Like I mentioned in the video, or may not have mentioned depending on how much editing I do want to go through my makeup collection and do a dedicated video to each category. So like a foundation collection, lip gloss collection, and things like that. So if you want to see that, leave me a comment in the comment section below. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until the next one. I'm gonna start doing that. Until the next one. That's my thing.